Okay, these are our 5 chicks. They are almost 10 weeks old. They've been living outside for about 6 weeks.
Hi.
Brandon is trying to feed them mint. Did they go for it?
Probably. I don't think so.
They tried it.
They tried it. I don't think they like it. They like the grass better.
Yeah, they're really into this grass that's been growing right here. And we think we've got 2 roosters. The black one over here and this pretty blue boy right here. What do you think, ladies?
Don't peck that screw.
So this one here is Ghost, named after Jon Snow's direwolf. Don't go too far, please. I do not want to chase you. And the other splash or white one is Shaggy. Our pretty boy over here is Greywind. The blue girl is Summer. And Nymeria turned into Nymerio. So we'll have to cross that bridge when